Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your eyes look bigger. Yes, basically we are going to enhance our eyes, and moreover, we are going to remove all the fat which is around our eyes, making it looking bigger and beautiful. And this is something which I tried, and trust me, this is really amazing. This is super good and you all should try this. So friends, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, in our first exercise, what you have to do, you just have to press or little stretch the inner corner of your eyes like this, and then just hold on for 30 seconds. This area you have to give a little bit of pressure and then just stretch. And then release. You have to do 3 times, like 30 seconds in each set, and 3 sets you have to do. So we just completed our first set, and then we are going to do our second set like this. And release. Now in our second exercise, what you have to do, just fold your fingers like this. Then you have to give a pressure to the under eye, to your under eyes. Basically, we are going to remove the fat from this area. This exercise will also want to give you a good blood circulation under your eye area. So let's start. Just give it a little bit of pressure and then do it like this. You just have to massage it. Don't do harshly, or just don't overdo this. You have to do like this 30 times in 3 sets. Then just relax. After doing it 30 times, you have to relax. Then you just proceed to the second set. Third and our last exercise, beauties, you have to stretch the outer corner of your eye area like this. And you have to look down. Hold on, count to 30, and then just release. Doing it again to the second step I'm doing. Now do it again. You have to do it 3 times, 3 sets and in each set you have to hold for 30 seconds. Just release. So beauties, these 3 exercises are really good. This will gonna help you a lot in getting that big and enhanced and beautiful eyes. This will gonna remove your fat from around your eye area, making it look larger and prettier. So beauties, if you are searching for something which is gonna help you in getting beautiful eyes, then this exercise is really gonna help you out. So friends, hope you like this video. Just go give it a try, and don't forget to comment in the comment section your experience. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Love you so much, guys.